Hello! Today we're making grilled fish tacos and they do not contain the creamy sauce, but they're juicy and flavorful and super easy. And we're using mango salsa to top them with, and they're super delicious. Let's do it. Here I have Pacific cod fillet and it's wild. Any white fish works and even salmon, and just make sure it is wild. And as for mangoes, there are different kinds, and here I have smallish mangoes. These are Ataulfo mangoes, or the regular, more likely, I think they're called Tommy Atkins, red mango. So that's another one, either works. So then here we have taco seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. So while fish is marinating, we made mango salsa here. Mangoes, cilantro, red onion, jalapenos, and salt.